Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Jaguar F-Type R. We'll explore the key differences and similarities between the earlier and later iterations of this powerful sports car. The original F-Type R captivated enthusiasts with its raw power and aggressive styling. Later models refined the experience, offering enhanced performance and updated technology. We'll help you decide which version might be the better fit for your driving preferences and budget. When it comes to performance, both generations of the F-Type R are incredibly potent. The earlier models, with 550 horsepower, deliver exhilarating acceleration and a visceral driving experience. The newer versions, boasting 575 horsepower, shave off a few tenths of a second in the sprint to 60 miles per hour. While the power increase is modest, the updated chassis and all-wheel drive system in later models contribute to a more refined and controlled power delivery, especially in challenging conditions. Visually, both F-Type R generations are stunning, but they offer distinct design philosophies. The earlier cars have a more traditional, aggressive look with sharp lines and a bold stance. The newer models adopt a sleeker, more contemporary aesthetic, particularly noticeable in the headlights and taillights. Inside, while the core layout remains driver-focused, later versions benefit from significant technological upgrades, including larger touchscreens and more advanced driver assistance systems, enhancing comfort and connectivity. Deciding between an older and newer F-Type R ultimately depends on your priorities. If you're seeking raw, unadulterated power and a classic sports car feel at a potentially lower price point, an earlier model could be perfect. However, if you prioritize cutting-edge technology, a slightly more refined driving experience, and the latest styling, the newer F-Type R might be worth the investment. Both offer incredible performance and a thrilling exhaust note that will turn heads. Be sure to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals we've found.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.